Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Camo Camera to OBS Studio. First, open the Microsoft Store, search for Camo Studio and install it. I have already installed both Camo Studio and the Camo Camera app on my iPhone. Now I am opening Camo Studio and I have already running Camo Camera app on my iPhone. Make sure your iPhone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, otherwise this won't work. When you open Camo Studio, complete the setup and it will launch automatically. Make sure to install this. In Camo Studio, go to the device section, click the drop-down menu and select pair a device. Now you will see a QR code on the screen. On your iPhone, tap the pairing option and scan the QR code. After that, your device will connect. Now minimize Camo Studio and open OBS Studio. Then add the video capture device and select Camo from the list. As you can see, it's now working. That's how you connect Camo Camera to OBS Studio. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and thanks for watching.